Hey, this is Nevada, and today I'll be giving you a tour of my brand new Samsung 28 cubic feet, 3-door French door refrigerator with CoolSelect Pantry. Right away, as soon as you open it up, you notice space. So it's plenty of space to store all kinds of items, all different shapes, all different sizes. I personally like this little section because I put my cough medicine and stuff there. Over here, we have this little shelf, which opens up. So if you needed to store taller items there, you could. And then it can close back down to once again give you a straight shelf. We have over here, this section here, where if you need to do taller items such as that, you can. And if you did not need that, you could also close it up. And once again, you would get a shelf. It has 2 bins. I usually do fresh vegetables in one and my fruits in the other. Over here, you have the refrigerator controls, such as the freezer, the temperature for the refrigerator, the temperature for the CoolSelect here, as well as the door alarm. And you have a lock, which actually would lock the panel, so there's no accidental touching of the controls. CoolSelect Pantry, my favorite thing. This is where I store all of my smaller refrigerated items, sandwich meat, cheeses, anything, snacks. Then we have the freezer, which is pretty much 2 compartments. So there's a top slide out compartment as well as the larger compartment for more bulkier, heavier items. The finish is a stainless steel fingerprint resistant finish. So let's just put that to the test. No fingerprints. Okay, and right over here we have the water dispenser, and the functionality on that is pretty simple. You can do water by pressing that, water. You can do cubed ice. And you can do crushed ice. If you want to disable that, you would just press and hold 3 seconds. The lock would show, and if you wanted to reactivate it, and it's back on. More water. So overall, the Samsung 3-door French door refrigerator with CoolSelect Pantry. I'm very happy with my fridge because it's everything that I could have hoped for.